What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're gonna show you how to install your HC85-LED in-ceiling speakers. Now these can be installed in sheetrock or ceiling tiles, and the process to install them is exactly the same. So let's get to it. First, you're gonna wanna take the included paper cutout guide and lay it on your ceiling tile. Then using a blade, you're gonna cut out a hole following the cutout guide. Once you have your hole cut out, you're ready to place in your speaker. For that, you're first gonna take your grill remover tool that comes included and remove the grill off your speaker. Once you have the grill removed, you'll then be able to see the 4 Phillips screws on the speaker. You're then gonna place the speaker through the hole and screw the 4 screws, which will pull the speaker into place in your ceiling tile. Now wiring is super easy to do with the black and red push terminals on your speaker. You just push and place the wires in and let go to hold the wires in place. Then you can place the tile with your speaker built in to your ceiling and make sure to run the wire from your speaker into your amplifier or receiver. And remember, these speakers are 8 ohms, so if you have a 4 ohm stable amp or receiver, you can run 2 of these speakers off each channel. And you actually don't have to do anything to activate the LED feature on these speakers because they will automatically interact with the music or sound coming from the speakers. But do keep in mind, the louder you set your music source or amp, the brighter the LEDs will go. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your HC85-LED in-ceiling speakers. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you next time.